Alright, welcome back to Make It Mental, everybody. Today I want to share with you a little bit something different. I don't think I've really gone over this at all too much, and this is the project I'm currently working on. It's a 67 Camaro. I forget who the manufacturer is. This is one I bought off of eBay. It did not look this nice when I got it. I promise you that. I spent some time wet sanding the body and getting rid of all the scratches. It looked like some 4-year-old had a temper tantrum and decided to ride it like a skateboard down the sidewalk. So it did not look this nice. I've got the body pretty straight and fixed up, so I'm putting in the lights. And this car was never designed to have lights, and I'll go more into that in a little bit. But first, what I want to show you is this is what's called a series parallel connection. I have a problem with the LED on the Camaro that I'm custom modifying. This LED, well, let me backtrack a little bit. I bought a package of LEDs, about 100 of them, and it was a variety pack with different colors and different voltage ratings, anywhere from 3 volts all the way up to 12 volts, and none of them are labeled. So you have to go through, you have to kind of test them out and figure out which one is which. So I'm left with one light bulb here that's very bright, obviously a low voltage one that'd make it brighter than this one. So that's the dilemma I'm in. So I'm going to show you a basic series parallel connection. These are my fog lights. These colored ones here that represent my fog lights. I'll try to make this simple for you guys to understand in case you guys want to do a similar project. So what I want to do is I run full 7.4 volts through my 2 outside lights, and I'm going to dim these ones. So this is a series connection. So we're going to have battery power, positive. All these little round dots right here, these are called splices in electrical diagrams. These are splices. These are where 2 electrical connectors connect together. So we got a splice, a splice, a splice, a splice, right? So our battery power is going to come into positive, and it's going to go directly into this light bulb. Negative power is going to come up here, and it's going to go directly into this light bulb. And we got a splice here. These little arches that you see right here, this just simply means for electrical diagrams that it just demonstrates that this circuit right here is not connected to this circuit. That's just all that is. It's like a bridge. And then we follow it down, little bridge, comes down like so, right? And then we branch off to our series parallel connections. So these 2 here are in parallel. This set here is in series. So we got a positive running in. Technically the LED is a one-way diode. Runs in here, lights up. The negative splices into a positive, comes through, back, down, and around like so. And the reason why I have a 500 ohm resistor in there, I got a variety pack of those as well. So here's the resistors, basically, in their appropriate ratings, right? I don't know, I think I paid around $5 for all of these, and I think I paid around $5 for 100 LED bulbs, but so I need to dim down the brightness of this bulb here. So this bulb here must be about 3 volts, and if I apply 7 volts to it for too long, it's going to burn out. So I need to reduce the voltage. I've already experimented with, I think, that one right there. Experimented with that one, makes it too dim. Then, so I experimented with, let's see, what was it? Oh, 2 500 ohm, basically. I'm going to call it 500, right? I ran 2 of those in series, and that was just a little bit too dim. So I just used 1 500 ohm resistor, and that gets me real close to the brightness on both sides. But this light right here gets the full 7 volts. This light right here gets reduced a little bit. Heat gets exchanged right here, cutting down the voltage, and then so this light bulb does not shine as brightly, and that's how that works. So now you're looking at it on the car, and it wouldn't make much sense at all explain it to you on the car, but on your right, your physical right, you can see the 500 ohm resistor right there. Let me turn it this way. for my fog lamp, you can see one little tiny wire right in this area here. Let's see if we can brighten that up. Yeah, didn't want to brighten anymore. Well, it is what it is. So this lead here went into this lead here, just tucked behind this piece of plastic that you can't see. So this right here is in series to reduce the voltage. Then eventually all these wires are going to get tied together. You can see how this light right here gets a splice, jumps over to that side of the connection, which is basically what I just showed you in that diagram right there. And some of you guys out there might be, oh my God, this is terrible because I need to know the voltage, I need to know the resistance. Yeah, well, I don't know what the voltage rating is on these lights, so you're looking at the same thing I am. It's a guessing game. And then later on, I only have 3 LEDs left, but I'd like to put 2 lights in each tail light. So I only got 3, so I think I'm going to angle one LED off this way and another LED off this way, and then that'll be the tail light section. So if you guys get creative, I hope that helps in solving a different problem.